Hi, and welcome to another episode of Cracking the Box. This is Jim Starkweather with KitMaker Network. We've got today a new unit from Trumpeter, thanks to our friends at Stevens Distributing in the United States. This one is the Russian BM-21 Grad Multiple Rocket Launcher. This is a 35th scale plastic kit. The number on this one, Trumpeter number, is 01013. Let's take a look, shall we? This one has typical, Trumpeter gray styrene plastic. There's your tubes, obviously, for the missiles themselves. Looks like two sheets of that one. It comes with rubber tires, and looks like it has 7 of them, probably 6 on the vehicle and a spare. This one, again, is the more the cab and roof surface. Looks really clean. Typical Trumpeter quality these days. Not expecting any serious issues from these kits, and we'll take a look and do some close-up photos later on in this video. If you want to skip ahead a little bit, you can. If you don't want to see the unboxing portion, but here's what's in the box. So here's some of the wheels and drivetrain components, suspension bits. Here's the steering wheel with probably, I'm sure, some internal components and some obviously protected pieces there. We'll get to see what those are in a minute. Some more engine and other kind of mechanical parts. It does come with one clear sprue here with windows, obviously, and some headlights, various pieces. One more missile component piece there. This one is, not sure, some kind of shields or something, some armor bits. And another piece with some, I like the fact that they're doing this. They're obviously trying to protect some of the more fragile pieces. And again, this one is probably a lot of the rear deck and other external pieces. And here we have the main chassis and suspension drivetrain components. That's the last sprue. And then we have a small decal sheet here. Very small, with some dash and insignias on the side. And then the manual, which includes a little promo piece here. Looks like they've got a MiG-23 MF flogger coming out, a Soviet KV-122, a Soviet S-23-152 self-propelled howitzer, the USS Maryland BB-46, and the Soviet Aerosan, which I believe that's already out. That's a 35th scale, yeah. And then this kit's the one on the back, the Russian Grad rocket launcher. And then the instructions obviously include a little color, or I shouldn't say obviously, but they do include a color plate here with no camouflage, but obviously some various insignia markings for the decals. And then it's pretty much straightforward step-by-step. Oh, almost missed this. Photo etch piece, obviously. Tucked away in the instructions. That's one way to protect it, I guess. So step-by-step is, or the instructions are pretty much step-by-step with limited language and mostly just, 3D CAD stuff. Pretty typical for Trumpeter, Can't say, not having built it, if the instructions are great or not, but they are very typical for Trumpeter and look like they're very comprehensive and complete. So we'll go ahead and move on to a photography of the parts phase. So this ends the inbox video portion. Well, I hope you enjoyed the photos on this new Trumpeter kit, and we'll probably try to get this out to somebody for a better build review, potentially, or a project, maybe a blog project or something. If someone's interested, please contact us about that. And if you have any comments or suggestions, you can leave them below. And thanks for watching.